Good morning. This morning we're going to demonstrate the difference between hard water and soft water, and especially on your soap consumption inside the house, whether it be the dishwasher, washing machine, body soaps, shampoos, or anything like that. So this one is a hard water, just straight out of the hose bib. We're going to fill it on up halfway. And we're going to just put drops of pure soap into it. Shake that on up. And if you notice, tiny little bit of suds, but they're gone very quickly. And the water on the bottom is very hazy looking. So this is what you're washing with, bathing with, if you don't have a water softener. Now we'll do the soft water from the water softener. Same exact test, just using different water samples. Now, if you'll notice, the suds are an inch at least tall, but notice the bottom, the clearness of the water right there. That means that all the soap residue is not going to be stuck to your body or anything else, that it just goes to the top, so you can cut back. You can use less detergents, washing machine, dishwasher, body soaps, and everything. This is where you'll save a lot of money if you have a water softener. But these are the two differences, and they're very visual, in soft water versus just regular hard water, whether it be well water or City of San Antonio water. These are your differences. Thank you.